Hey Slimies, it's me Lauren. Today I'm back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to make a rainbow slime. So let's get started. Here's what you will need to make this slime. Maybe a couple of bowls, but this bowl I'm just going to reuse and wash it. Some activator, some glue, and a spoon to mix it. Here's what you'll need to decorate. I don't have any blue food coloring, so I'm just using some paint to help make some other colors. So you'll need food coloring. I only have green, red, and yellow. Now let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is grab your bowl and spoon and your glue. This glue is very heavy because it's brand new, so if you hear my voice, that's why, because I can't get this open. Having some issues opening the glue. So there's been glue stuck in here. I'll be back when it's open. Okay, so I just got the glue open, so now I can pour it in. You can add as much as you want as usual. You might want to add just a bit more than the usual just because you have to divide it into different sections to make the other colors. Now, where's my cap? Add the cap on. I'm just going to mix it around just to see the consistency. Just to see that it's not lumpy. Just make sure. It's a lot of glue. Okay. Now I want to add some activator. Okay, so before you add the food coloring or anything else, you're going to have to add the activator. That's good. There's no certain measurement, so just add as much as you think you need. Here, let me show you guys. Okay, now you can see. As you can already see, it's already coming together. It's definitely coming together, as you can see. It's still a bit sticky, so just keep mixing it in because you don't want to add too much activator. And then the whole thing is ruined. Just gonna add a little bit more because it's a bit sticky. So I think that's good. Okay, now let's mix that. Focus. Sorry, just unfocused. Okay, I think I added enough, so now let's just get the spoon out. Okay, I'll be back when the slime's all ready. Now what I would do is just grab a handful, as you can see it fits my hand. So now sit it down and add some color. So we're going to make purple because my bowl we're just going to add that way, so we're going to have the red at the top. So now we have some purple paint because, as I already said at the start of the video, I don't have any blue coloring, which means I can't make purple. So let's add some color to this. Let's fix this up so you can see. Okay, so I've just got some. I know it's not gonna turn out as good just because it's white glue, but I don't really care. I'm not looking for the neon. I just need some color in here. So now I'm just going to fill that in. Oh, you can see the colors. unfolding. It's quite very lavender. As you can see, it's quite lavender, so I'm just gonna have to add quite a bit. Wish I had some food coloring. Forgot to get some before I got the start of this video, because I didn't know I didn't have any. But we're just gonna mix this in. I'll be back when it's all finished. Isn't this quite funny? I was just looking around the house and I found some blue food coloring, so now I'll add that in. Hopingly I don't make a mess. We're just going to make a little pocket. So I usually do this when I don't have a bowl. Just make a little pocket in the slime. Probably don't go as deep as I did, just poke in the one area. A little circle there, and then add some. So we're just going to add a little bit. Because you can see, it's going quite purple, but it's just a bit too light. Don't add too much, because when you add too much, well, it's way too dark. I can just tell you, I prefer to get the little squeezy bottles. I'll be right here. Okay, that looks good. Don't get your hand filled with food coloring, because then, you know, your hand's gonna be that color, and then you're gonna get different color. Oh, dang it. Never mind. Okay, let's add some blue right into here, because then you're gonna get color on your hand, and it's gonna go to the other slime. Because if you want to make like red, if you add blue in it, if you have blue fingers and you add it, well, guess what? Your slime's gonna be purple. Isn't that perfect? Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Look at that. Oh my god, I just got some. Okay, let's add this in. Trying not to get any more color on my hands, as there already is. Looks like it's coming out. Maybe I think I added a bit too much blue, so now it's taking over. Or actually, no, it looks like it's coming out. So I'll be back when it's all done. So I just finished mixing in the slime. It's not dark purple, but it's as dark as it can get. So I'm just going to get my little container and plop that in. By the way, the food coloring might actually make your slime a bit sticky, so just be prepared. I think I might have got a bit too much, because this slime bowl isn't that big, so I'm going to have to push it down a bit. Okay, let's put this aside. Just going to leave a lid on it so it doesn't get it out. Now let's make some glue. Okay, so we're just going to grab a little bit now, hopefully that I don't get any food coloring that's already on my hand in here. Okay, I kind of don't want to add any food coloring just because I don't want to make such a big mess of my hands. So we're just going to add a little bit of blue paint and see how we go. Because I don't have any bowls, because the bowl I have, you can see, is holding. Hold up a second. I'm just gonna wash my hands so I don't get the red. As long as I'm back, I've just cleaned up my hands. Now we're gonna add this coloring. Just over it. Looks like it's turning out. Looks good, doesn't it? It's a bit light for you, but who said it had to be dark blue? It's fine. Okay, we are ready to mix this in with the purple. So I think I might take out a bit of the other purple just because it's a little, you can see how much it takes up. It's quite a lot, and I don't think I'll be able to fit a whole slime in. So luckily I have another bowl, so I'll just take out some. Make 2 batches. That means 2 fillings. Okay, just add this in. Be right back. I'm back, so I've just finished fixing this up. So let me add my blue again. I don't want to add in too much blue, just because you saw I had to take it out. So let me just gonna grab a little bit and then just fluff it in. Hold up, just gonna flatten this purple down. So I'll just steal a little bit from the other one and just fill it up. Okay, that's good. So it doesn't go to the bottom. Just clean my hands now. Now let's add this in. Now I just want you to watch and see what happens when I add this. I'm not going to add it in too much because I don't want it to mix in yet. So I think this is good. When I have to take some, I'll just take from the top and immediately add it, because I need to be able to add all the other colors, including the green and the yellow and the orange, and you know the rainbow, right? I hope so. I'll be back and I'll go get the green. Okay, you know the drill. Grab a little bit, add some paint. It looks good. And now I'll mix that in. Okay, so just went ahead and put it in. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, here's the finished product. I just skipped forward just because I don't want you guys to wait. So if you want to see the rest of the video, it will be at the end of the video. So wait until the end of the video for the rest. Okay, so I went ahead and got another bunch. Now after green comes the yellow. So let's grab that and add some in. Yellow. By the way, if you're wondering where I got this paint, I got this paint from Red Door. And you can get, it doesn't have to be this specific paint, you can get any kind of paint, or you could just get food coloring. I think that paint's a bit better, just because it's a little less messy. And you can see that this is so, what is it? What's the word? So vibrant. Now, if you're not looking for this vibrant, I think I can just suggest you to use the regular food coloring and not to add too much. So yeah, now I'm just gonna quickly go grab that. Okay, I've got the bowl here. Now let's add this thing in. Now I'm just gonna add bit by bit. Too much, now you can see how it's kind of, mixing in. And here is the replica. This one just has, there's too much slime. So we'll be selling both of these. No, I don't have an online store, but if you go to my school, you can buy this. I'll be selling it on Monday at school. No, I'm not saying what school I'm going to, just for safety reasons. If you watch this, you know that I have, if you go to my school, you'll know that's me. If you don't, just look when I post this and look at the Monday, and if the Monday is your Monday coming up, that means that obviously I'm going to go to your school, and that I was like, now I'm just gonna add a bit. I'm just gonna grab a bit more because there's not much. So be back. Now let's get another one, and now we're gonna make this one orange. So usual, add some in. Okay, that looks good. So now we're just gonna mix it in. So I'll be back when it's all mixed in. As you can see, I'm running out of space. So I'm just gonna add a bit of red, and I think that's all I can fit in. Even though I have quite a bit of slime left, I've just gotta deal with my problems. So now just grab some and make some red. I don't have any red paint. Yeah, let's see. Do I have a gem? Where's my red? Okay, so I've got my red here, and now let's add this in. You can see it's red. The packaging just looks pink. It does look on camera a bit pinkish orangish, but it's actually red. It will turn out red because I've actually obviously done this before. I can't add too much red, sadly, even though I wanted to add a lot because it's the main bit. Be back when it's all done. Okay, I've just finished with the reds. Now I'm going to add it in. Even though I barely have any space, just going to add in as much as I can. But then you see here on the replica, I have heaps of space. Maybe I might make this the final product just because this, oh wait, that's good. Okay, so okay guys, before I end this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video. And it would help if you could share this video with a friend, because one of your friends might actually like this video. I would love if you could help the Slimer community. So bye guys, see you in my next video.